Hello YouTubers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I will talk to you guys about channel violations, especially the community strike. So I've got one of these channel violation, a community strike for a video I uploaded about a year ago, and now this alert will always show up here and also in your channel status and features. You will see it right here, all of your channel violations. 0 out of 3 for copyright strikes, 0 out of 3 for community guideline strikes. And if you click down here, see details, you can see here I had a warning on one of my videos for violating YouTube's policy for harmful and dangerous content. There was nothing dangerous or harmful. It was a video showing people how to download YouTube videos. That was basically it. YouTube didn't like that and thought it was dangerous or harmful to the community, so they gave me a strike. Anyhow, the video is now deleted, and this warning will always be here though, according to their guidelines. So what happens if you get a strike? Well, the first one is a freebie. You get a warning, and the thing with this warning is that it never goes away. It will always be there, like right here. And after the warning, if you get another strike, you will get a penalty. This time a 1-week period where you cannot upload any new content, videos, or even community posts. So after 90 days, this strike will disappear from your account. However, the warning is still there. So that means if you get another strike, you automatically get the 1-week suspension. And then in the 90-day period, if you get a second strike, then you will have a 2-week suspension. And if you have a third strike in the same 90-day period, your channel will be permanently removed. So this is definitely no joking matter. You gotta take your strike seriously. So anyhow, that's what a community strike is. I'll leave the link to the community strike basics details for you guys. Check out the link in the description below this video. Anyhow, I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube marketing tips and tricks and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.